Welcome to the vlog and welcome to Colorado. Good morning. I'm in a new location. I'm actually in Denver, Colorado, visiting a friend. You will see her later, but I had to drop her off at work this morning. It's a Friday, and she's letting me borrow her car, and I'm gonna go out for a hike today. So I'm just making myself some breakfast. I'm making a smoothie, protein smoothie, and then I'm going to pack up a trusty lunch of a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, because what else do you eat when you're hiking? And then I'm gonna throw on my hiking pack and we are gonna get out and get on foot in these trails. I'm excited. I'm so excited. That's the plan for today. And then I have all weekend with my friend. Her name is Jillian. And we've known each other since elementary school. Oh my gosh, since like kindergarten we've known each other. I'm telling you what, like, long-term friendships are so cool. They're just so cool. You know, you just kind of ebb and flow through life. Anyways, she's been a super supportive friend in my life, especially through all of my health issues. And I'm excited to be here and excited to spend some time with her. I'm adding a little bit of peanut butter to my smoothie. Drinking my smoothie out of a coffee mug today. I don't know why, but I tend to do that when I'm at other people's houses. Cheers. It's so good. It's so good. Today's was just a half a scoop of 𝗺𝗬𝗯 protein powder, a full scoop of Roots Nutrition Collagen, a little bit of cacao powder, peanut butter, banana, ice, and water. It's like a chocolate milkshake. I'm just gonna chill on the couch for a little bit with my smoothie and sweet Lolita. Look at her, she's so sweet. And plan which park I'm going to go to, because I'm still unsure of what park I'm going to go to and what hike I'm gonna do. Look at this angel. Look at her. She's so sweet. I've got my snacks for the trail. I like to take these smelly bags because they're kind of like smelly proof for bears, and the park that I decided to go to is Roxborough State Park, and they do have black bears there. So I'm taking my little smelly bag. I've got a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I've got a 𝗬𝗶𝗶𝗁 beef stick. I'm gonna add an apple. And then I have a little thing of pistachios. I'm gonna add one more beef stick. I also have a thing of electrolytes and then my water, of course, so good to go. I'm also taking a banana for after the hike. I'm just leaving this in the car so it doesn't get beat around, but that way I have a snack for after the hike. For years, I thought I was like a beach and ocean girl, and I am. I very much am. But in 2018, when Keith and I went on our first like road trip, and we went out to Jackson Hole in the Grand Tetons, I was like, oh, the mountain is where my soul heals, right? Like the ocean is like complete relaxation, but like the mountains are where like my soul heals itself. I don't know how else to explain it. So I've realized I'm not really a beach girl. I'm not really a mountains girl. I'm just a nature girl. Put me outside in this, away from buildings and most people. That's all I ever need. That's all I ever need. Life is pretty freaking cool. This is so pretty. Let's have a quick chat while I'm enjoying these beautiful views. Oh my gosh, can you believe it? It's so stunning. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Unbelievable. So I have like a lot of moments of gratefulness this day and age, but as I was like driving to Roxborough Park, I was like literally coming into the foothills of the mountains, right? And it was just absolutely stunning. And then I get here and it's absolutely beautiful. And I just like cannot help the tears like of gratefulness. It blows my mind that how many years ago now? 4, 5, 6, like 7 years ago, this was like completely out of my realm of capabilities. But now I can just hop on a plane, get in a car by myself. I used to not even be able to drive by myself, come to a state park, hike on my own, and do it all. In altitude, I must add. It just blows my mind, and I'm so eternally grateful every single day that my life has changed so much. I'm not gonna cry again, but it's just unbelievable to me. If you have your health, do not take it for granted. Get your butt up, get those legs moving, and get outside. Get outside. Look at this. This park is absolutely stunning. And the terrain is like pretty decent, like pretty easy. I'm very impressed. I like it a lot. I currently have a monarch butterfly just flying around me. It's so beautiful. I don't know where it went. Of course I pull my camera out and it goes away, but it was literally just like doing circles around me. Amazing. I'm on my second trail of the day. I'm doing I think it was West Loop. Shoot, I don't remember now. Anyways, a little bit muddier. I remember the name of the hike that I'm doing now because I just had to veer. It's the South Rim Loop. It's so nice out today, and literally everybody that I have experienced has been so kind. The air is thin though. The air is thin. I'm a bit winded. This hike gains a lot more elevation than the last one, and it's very snow covered. And then because people are walking on it, it's like patting it down, so it's pretty slick. I probably should have brought my poles, but we're gonna do it. We're gonna conquer it. We can do this. I'm ready for some fuel. Like, I'm ready to get to the top, to the lookout, and eat. I put my electrolytes in here. This guy right here is just water. See what I mean? Very snow covered. I don't have spikes on either. I guess I just wasn't expecting it to be this snowy still, but I should have known better. Now we're starting to get some elevation views. I was down there earlier. Look at this. Incredible. I'm so glad I kept going. A bunch of people like stopped and came back down the hill. As you can see, the sunlight has like thawed the snow up here. A little bit muddy, but that's okay. But look at this. Wow. And I'm not there yet, but I just couldn't resist this view. Unbelievable. I made it. Check out these 360 views. They're insane. These rock formations are just stunning. So beautiful. I'm gonna park my butt right on this bench and have lunch. I am so excited for this PB&J. Oh, look at this. This is amazing. Feeling super grateful. I don't know what it is about a PB&J. I never eat them, but they slap so hard when you're hiking. Oh, they just like, they hit the spot. Oh my gosh, I can see downtown Denver. Wow. This is stunning. I'll have to show you. View as I'm eating my lunch. All these beautiful mountains. And then I'm assuming that's downtown Denver. I finished my peanut butter and jelly sandwich, and now I'm gonna eat this tiny cute little apple. Look how cute Hims is. And then honestly, I think, because I've got some time to kill, I'm gonna break out my book, my nice little smut novel, and sit here and read for a while. Enjoy the view, enjoy the fresh air. The quiet, it's so quiet. It's time for me to start moseying again. I read a few chapters of my book. I called my grandpa to tell him happy birthday. He did not answer. And I did a Spanish lesson. So we're gonna say goodbye to this view and head back down. I'm just headed down, but on the way up was a couple, and the woman forgot appropriate footwear, so she was just barefoot, and I'm like, that's my kind of girl. Like, just making it work, you know? Just making it work with what she has. Her feet have got to be cold, though, because she's been traipsing through some snow. I'm going to show you her little footprints. Look at her little footprints. Such a badass. Don't let it ruin your day, man. Just get out and enjoy it. Kudos to her. This side is pretty muddy compared to where the other side was pretty slick and snowy. I definitely prefer the mud. You can kind of sink your shoes in as opposed to like gliding over. That's an end to Roxborough State Park. What a lovely day. I was able to get 2 hikes in, and now it's time to go back to the house. I have been a terrible vlogger today, but Jillian and I have been over at Red Rocks Park. We did, what was it? Outlook?
What?
What was the hike we did up there?
Oh.
Something Outlook.
Geologic Outlook or something?
We did Geologic Outlook Trail, and now we're doing Mount Vernon Creek Trail. I also slipped up to Red Rocks Amphitheater, and I totally forgot to show you guys, but it was beautiful, so I'll insert some clips, some vertical clips here. This is my friend Jillian and her dog Lolita. She's so sweet and she's doing so good.
Best hiking buddy ever.
She's such a good hiker. There's the amphitheater. I was way up there earlier.